What's up, guys? DMZ TV here, and today we're going to be talking about Karma Hookahs.
And don't forget Zomo Dragon Ball.
Travis here.
And your Persian homeboy Shayan.
And today we're going to go over the Karma 3.0 hookah.
There's no hookah, it's broken.
Oh, well, that's the beauty of this wooden hookah, Shayan. It breaks down for easy cleaning and you don't have to worry about messing up the wood.
What do you mean breaks down? Can you explain that?
Sure. Most wooden hookahs that we're accustomed to are press fitted together, and if something happens to it, kind of shit out of luck.
What do you mean? The area inside here?
If the wood rots, if anything happens, you need to clean it. No, you don't have that problem with this hookah. This hookah breaks down into 5 pieces. We have the down stem, we have the up stem, we have the bowl port that also acts as a collar for the wood. We have the heart, which is beautiful in my opinion.
Reminds me of another hookah.
Yeah, I'm not sure which one you're talking about right now. And it has a beautiful wood collar. Look at this design, man. Look at that lathe work.
I like the fact that it's modular and it's different.
Yeah, definitely different. And it comes from, it's not from the United States, it's from Ukraine. So, Shai, you ready to assemble this bad boy and see what it can do?
Let's do it. Can you show them how to assemble this, please?
Yeah, sure. It only takes a quick second. It's really cool how this actually works. So you just, everything has to do with just easy, beefy threadings. Look at that.
Hold on, let them see that. Let them see that in the camera right here.
Oh,
See,
sure.
guys?
Go for it,
Twist
Shai.
it on. Just like that.
Look at that. Make sure you get a good shot of that threading though, because this is one of the biggest issues with modular pipes is that threading isn't good and you cross thread it and then your hookah's done. But these are nice beefy threads, and this is a nice piece of stainless steel pipe. So you put the bowl port on, then you put the sleeve on, then the heart slips on, and then everything is held together by the down stem.
Sorry guys, Travis is a little inadequate of screwing things together.
Hey man, as long as you get it in, it don't matter, right?
I guess so.
Better late than never?
Better late than never.
So there you go. Got the fully assembled Karma 3.0.
Can you put it in the vase and put it on display for them to see the whole thing?
Absolutely. And this is a Zahra Bohemian base that I use, and this is the tray that comes with the Karma 3.0. And there you have it. I think we're ready to smoke.
I think so. Before we go, I have Zomo Dragon Wall hidden in my location.
Alright guys, before we get into this beast, we're going to go over setup real quick. Obviously we're reviewing the Karma 3.0 hookah atop a Zahra Bohemian base with the Alpaca Mini Rook and a Provost with 2 Superior Cocoa Cubes and the Sky Distribution aluminum hose.
What's in the bowl, Travis?
We got that Zomo Dragon Wall, brand new flavor.
Hold on. Ooh, Dragon Wall. Bam, bam, bam. Bam.
Bam! So why don't we hit this, see how the flavor is, see what the performance of the pipe is.
Go ahead.
Let's do this.
By the way, it's supposed to land like this. I'm just incompetent.
Try that, man. It is fire.
Guys, everyone should know Travis has a weak cloud gang.
Got little baby lungs. Jeez. Put me to shame. All right, Hog, get over here. You can talk about the flavor. I want to enjoy this.
Dragon Wall, very unique. Flavor is a predominant peach.
Yes, definitely getting peach.
Peach, I want to say I taste also some dragon fruit.
I get that. Yep, definitely dragon fruit. That, hence the name Dragon Wall.
Very slight mint kick.
Yeah, very, very light on the menthol in opposition to some of the other World Experience flavors that we have sampled.
And it seems as if the company is moving in a direction where they're reducing the menthol in the videos. I mean, in the tobacco as well. It seems like they're toning it down a little bit for the smoker's pleasure. And it's becoming a tobacco to be reckoned with seriously.
You gotta love a brand who cares about our experiences and our taste buds, because this is a global brand. So it's really nice that they've listened to us, to everyone, that they've dialed back the menthol on certain flavors. And I think it's very enjoyable.
Yes.
Shy, what do you think about the Karma 3.0?
It's nice. The construction's fantastic. It seems to be pretty durable. I like the fact that you can break this pipe apart. As you saw in the beginning, it's very much break it apart, clean it. It's number one, it's sanitary. Number two, it's easier to run under the hose in the kitchen. That's where I clean my hookahs. And overall, it's a nice package. It comes with a tray, not with a vase, not with a hose, but it comes with a tray.
And a nice tray on top of that.
It's a really nice
But you know
tray.
what? It's great because it makes it easy to break down and take with you.
Bingo, I forgot about mentioning that. It's a good travel pipe also.
One of the best perks of a modular pipe. So I have to say, this pipe is extremely open. This pipe is almost an effortless draw. You don't even know you're smoking sometimes when you hit it.
Yeah, I have to agree with that. And with its competitors being other wooden pipes in the American market, the Polish market, all of those.
Don't forget the Japanese market.
Japanese market, yes, I forgot about that. And Russian.
Yes.
Russian.
Wood pipes are all the rage, and this one definitely fits my preferences. Shy, I know you own five wooden pipes in your collection.
Six in my collection.
God, man, you are addicted to wood.
I like hard wood.
Amen. I gotta let you enjoy what you enjoy. But what do you think of the Karma 3.0 up against your other wooden hookahs as far as draw, and we're about to show the purge off as well?
I think the draw is very similar. I don't think it's necessarily anywhere above the rest of the pipes I own. However, I think it gives a competitive edge in the fact that you can break this pipe down and clean it. Because my concern with all my pipes is the water leaking into the wood in between the downstem and the wood itself, which is stainless and then wood. My concern is, over time, will this be an issue with breaking down and deteriorating the wood? I'm not sure, but the fact that you can remove this wood sleeve essentially and clean it out without having risk of water touching it makes it a little more enjoyable and makes me relax a little bit more when I clean it and for long-term longevity as well.
So Shy, we have examined the wood itself. Now it looks really great. It's treated and it is coated on the outside, but we've looked at the inside and there's been a lot of talk on this pipe and the quality of the wood. What did you think when you took a look on the inside of the wood itself?
I think it's no different from any of the other pipes I own. I find that, here's my whole thing with people criticizing this pipe. The other pipes in the US market and Poland and Russia, you physically cannot take the wood sleeve off. So how do you know exactly what wood is in there besides from what the manufacturer is telling you? At least with this one, you could see it. Who's to say that the other pipes are not using let's say a cheaper material and you won't know, and they just coat it nicely on the outside?
All right, guys, we saved the best for last, the purge on this hookah. And Shayan, how important is how a hookah purges for you in your setups?
I tend to smoke hotter than the average smoker, so typically I'll have my vase really milky. By milky, I mean a lot of smoke in it, and sometimes I won't hit it for maybe like a good 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And when you take that inhale after you let the smoke sit for a little bit, it's really nasty. I'm gonna be honest with you. So for me, a purge is very important to clear all that old smoke out. And this hookah doesn't disappoint at all. It clears the vase really nice. You can't see it with the black check vase, but take our word for it, check it out. You might be able to see it here.
Why don't we show them? Why don't we take a poll and we'll show them how it works?
Go ahead.
Baby lawns. All right, well, let's see what comes out of there at least.
Alrighty, all right. Nice. Clear.
Cleared out. And I know that because I use plenty of clear bases on this and I have plenty of experience. So I'm very satisfied with the construction and the build and how this pipe performs.
Excellent. All right, guys, if you like this video, like it again. If you want to leave a comment in the section, comment if you've used the Karma Hookah at all. Let us know what you think about it. If you like the fact that you can break this pipe apart, clean it out, make it easier. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to our channel, hit the little ding like button so you'll be able to be notified for future videos. And with that, DMZ TV out.